Investors in real estate investment trust, better known as REITs, can choose between different property types, sub-industries, and business models depending on factors including dividend yield and recent performance. Some investors choose to put all of their money into REITs so they can get the most amount of dividends possible. But there is a subset of REIT investors who prioritize sustained expansion. Once in a while though, you can get both. Check out these 3 different REITs that all have dividend yields of more than 8%. Each underperformed in 2022, but in the last 1 to 4 weeks, they've all been among the best REITs out there. First is Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corp., ticker symbol WMC. Western Asset Mortgage is a mortgage REIT, also known as an MREIT, based in Salt Lake City that tries to make the most money for its shareholders by buying mortgage assets at a discount. Financial investments are made in agency residential mortgage-backed securities, non-agency mortgage-backed securities, and asset-backed securities by Western Asset Mortgage Capital, which is managed by Western Asset Management Company, LLC. That was a mouthful. From the beginning of the year until about midway through December, Western Asset Mortgage Capital saw its value drop by 54%. It has increased by almost 20% over the past 4 weeks and by 8% over the past 5 days. Previously at 60 cents, the dividend was reduced to 40 cents in April of 2022 and has remained consistent since then. The yield on the $1.60 annual dividend is about 15%. Second is Global Medical REIT, ticker symbol GMRE. As a Maryland-based healthcare REIT, Global Medical REIT owns and leases out specialized properties to healthcare systems and physician organizations. In the United States alone, Global Medical REIT owns and manages a total of 189 properties with more than 4.8 million square feet of net leasable space. There's also a 2% annual rent increase, helping the business look very strong. Dividends from Global Medical REIT are currently around 21 cents every quarter or 84 cents per year, for a yield of 8%. Global Medical REIT's total return was minus 42% in 2022. Global Medical REIT has gained 5.2% over the past 5 days and 13% over the past 4 weeks. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And if you like this video, you may want to check out this other video I uploaded on how you can retire early with the help of dividends. Now, let's get back to the video. 3. Office Properties Income Trust, ticker symbol OPI. The Newton, Massachusetts-based Office Properties Income Trust owns, rents, and manages commercial office space. It has a stable tenant base with a large number of government agencies among its occupants at its 162 sites spread over 31 states. Despite this, Office Property Income Trust's revenue has been falling, and its EPS has been very unpredictable over the past 3 years. Occupancy has just increased from 89% to over 90%, which is still not ideal, but it was better news than it was a few months ago. The current yield on shares of Office Properties Income Trust is 12.9%, and the dividend per share is 55 cents per quarter or $2.20 per year. Having fallen to a 52-week low of $12.21 in mid-October, shares of Office Properties Income Trust have since recovered to trade at over $17. When looking at shorter time periods, Office Property Trust has gained 4.41% in just the last week. The increase over the past 4 weeks is 24%, and that is even more astounding. Very high dividend yields should always be taken with a grain of salt, because some companies with high yields have done poorly and may have to cut their dividends. Before buying any stock, investors should always do enough research and due diligence, but especially before buying stocks with very high dividend yields. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for quality dividend stocks that are currently on sale, check this video out and see how you can benefit from today's market. Boom. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the growth and reach of this channel. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.